is Luisa. Today I'm going to be body painting her, and we've started by putting on a wig cap, some pasties, and a microfiber thong. I'm going to be latexing down her pasties so that we have a nice seamless look for our avatar. So I start by just using the liquid latex and I'm smoothing out the edges. You want to make sure you really do the outside edges, not cover the whole face. We don't want to take off the eyebrows. We just want it to stick to her face though, so we do need a lot of glue. And you can use actually the Prosade cream to glue down eyebrows, so it's not bad. It won't peel off your eyebrows or anything like liquid latex, but it's also not great. So I think we should do the nose, make sure the nose is really sticky.
So this is like a generic large ear.
I think it's gonna be the best one for Avatar. It's really high quality. I love rubber wear.
I'm just trying to avoid your hair if I can.
It feels really good. And I just have to use the latex to like blend out the edges. This is foam latex. It is really just a one-time use prosthetic, because when you remove it, it tears very easily, especially these little fine corners. We have to do this before we start the body painting, obviously.
Wow, I look like a different person.
Yeah. That's the point. That's what we're going for.
That's amazing, oh my god. I mean...